G'day everyone. Have you seen this before? It's redback ginger. That's not a spider, by the way. Mind you, we've got lots of redbacks here. Lovely spider. But this wonderful native to Australia, ginger, was given to me by Mark at Tuckerbush. We were on the radio together the other day. Great bloke. If you're after any native trees, like you are, aren't you, Rufus? If you're after any native stuff, particularly edible bush tucker, anywhere in Australia, go onto his website and order some stuff. Or go to Bunnings. Bunnings have them too. Anyway, so we're going to put this fella in, and I've had a bit of a look at it. And it requires a slightly acidic soil with lots of compost, organic material, etc. in there. The ginger itself, it says here, is a versatile plant traditionally used by the Aboriginal people for food and crafting. Found in the rainforests of northern New South Wales, southern Queensland. This red variety comes from the Atherton tableland region near Cairns. Okay, so it's just like another ginger root. We can use it in our cooking, and we're going to compare it, once we've got enough, to our normal ginger, which you can see growing over here. So this is just ginger that was bought from the shop many, many years ago. You do like that ginger, don't you, Ruth? This is just a standard ginger. I bought it from a shop, organic, years and years ago, and just kept replanting it. So I harvest what I can, save a bit, and we put it in the pots around the place, and we grow next year's supply of ginger. So it'll be really interesting to compare the taste, which is going to take us probably a year or so, but it's worth it. So what we're going to do is, I've got a large pot here. Right down the bottom is just some older potting mix that's not diseased or anything. I've added in a little bit of our acid concentrate, and now we're going to put in a fair stack of our homemade compost. Let's just mix that in. We're going to add some more shortly. How's that for depth? Okay, needs a little bit more, but that'll be fine. Going to get a fairly standard potting mix. I'll try that again without all the noise. This is just a standard potting mix, and I've found in WA these are very alkaline. So we're going to put some in. That'll do for now. Like so. And then we're going to get some more of our acid concentrate. Oh, gone a bit hard. We'll take our pot out now, because we know once we get our compost in, we'll have enough soil in here. So let's just take our pot out. And we'll mix this in. Need more compost. We're just going to wet this down a little bit and check the acidity level. Let that soak through. All right, we pop this in, and I've actually checked this on a couple of my blueberries, and it seems to be sort of working well as you can expect. So let's go measure. Okay, it's down to a 6, which I think will probably be okay. We'll check it again later and see if it's neutral, but more on the acidic side of neutral. That'll do us nicely once we pack it down. Now, let's have a look at the roots here. I don't know if we can break them out a little bit, but we can free them up if we can. A little bit pop down there. Not much we can do. So let's just pop him in. water that in, and then we'll put some mulch on him before we put it away. But we'll check that pH again. Now this plant can actually handle part shade. In fact, it likes sheltered part shade position. So we're going to pop him in over there, close to our other ginger, but up against the wall. And we'll see how we go. Keep a very close eye on him for the next few days. Make sure he's not wilting or something wrong with the soil. That should do him nicely. So one more pH check. And it's gone up to 6.5. Right, so he may need a little bit more acidifying at a future point. But for now, it's not alkaline, which is a critical matter. I've had some potting soils come in here that are measuring 11, which just kills off any plants. Very, very high, highly alkaline. So let's get him away. In a while, we'll see what it tastes like. You like redbacks? Well, I don't like redback spiders much, but they won't hurt you if you don't hurt them. But redback ginger. It'll be very interesting to see how this compares to our normal, I suppose, European or Asian ginger. I suppose it's Asian, isn't it? Not sure where ginger came from, but it'll make an interesting comparison. If you've grown it, let me know in the comments and what you think of the taste. And did you have any problems with it dying off? You guys enjoy life? Like, subscribe, comment, hit that bell icon, do lots of things that help me out. I'd appreciate it. I'll catch you in the garden.